Learn to create AI carousels for real estate marketing success.
In this video, I'm showing you how I'm making AI carousels for real estate agents using AI carousels and just follow along. So if you don't know, I'm Leland. I run the operator room. So I teach solo entrepreneurs to grow businesses online, experts, coaches, wellness, all people that are solo coaches. My wife and I run a seven-figure online yoga business, and I teach those strategies in here. One of the things I teach is to use carousels to grow your business. And so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use AI carousels to create powerful carousels for your business. This example is real estate people. So I've got a couple that I'll show you. So this is the one I'm working on right now. Uh, and so you can just look hook, value, call to action. Those are the three things we're looking for. So most home buyers overpay on their second home. It starts with competition. Emotion creeps back in. The hidden cost. Smart way buyers do different. What smart buyers do differently. Thornton area advantage. So these people are in Thornton. You'll see how we can get specific with carousels later. And if you want to avoid overpaying, DM them to work with them. So that one looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna download that and wait patiently. So I downloaded that. I'll send it over to them in a second. So let's look at the next carousel that we've got. So again, I use ChatGPT to make these. I use the Instagram guide expert, and then it's some skillful prompting, right? Uh, Import carousel. And let's mix this text up a little bit and see. We still want it to look professional, but we can just click surprise me before you buy in Thornton. We need like a professional looking one. All right, I'm just gonna choose one. And let's get another image. So for real estate, I like to use AI generator, cool houses, people that are excited, just things that are persuasive. Yeah, like this one's pretty good. So we'll apply that to all the background and then let's read it. So before you buy in Thornton, so Thornton is where they're located. Price isn't the only cost. So you got to look at taxes, maintenance. Neighborhoods matter more than ever. That's getting increasingly true in Colorado. Don't ignore fixable homes. Timing is a weapon. Buy at the right moment. Thinking about a higher end purchase. Let's talk strategy. DM if you're looking to buy or sell. That's pretty good. Good call to action. Looks professional. So we'll download that one and then I'll share it with them. Let's move on to the next one. This is the third carousel for real estate professionals in Colorado. We're going to auto describe a new image. Number one mistake buyers make, so the image is confused. Let's see how it does. Waiting patiently. All right, the number one mistake buyers make. It's common and completely avoidable. Shopping with first home criteria. What mattered then doesn't matter now. Ignoring equity potential. Thinking short term. Buy with a long lens. Long term lens. This one's pretty good. It's a little bit short, but it's good positioning, right? It positions them as, we can help you think long term. DM if you're looking to buy or sell. That's pretty good. And so let's download that and we'll go to I'm gonna have them rewrite them. Rewrite carousels 5 through 10, add more details and or more slides. A little bit quick for my taste, so we're gonna stretch them out a little bit. All right, let's see carousel 5. All right, we're in AI carousels, import carousel. Again, I love AI carousels. There's other ways to create carousels right now, but quick, easy. If you're a single coach, you need to be able to understand the software. That's the biggest thing. All right, let's change this format again. I like that one. It's kind of big and bold. Let's generate an image. Apply to all the backgrounds. Let's see here. That one's okay. A little busy. Make it. I mean, I think it's a little busy, but maybe we keep it. Let's change it. I don't like that. I really want like a blue. That's pretty good, blue. And then maybe we. All right, so let's read this one. What 650K to 900,000 actually gets you in Thornton? Again, this is for real estate professionals that are in Thornton. Price range is not the same outcome. Two homes, different prices can deliver different long-term value. Option one, move-in ready. Higher competition, premium pricing, fewer negotiations, hidden costs. You can't really see that. Let's go back to, there we go. Option one, move-in ready. Option two, value add homes. Strong neighborhood, outdated finishes, opportunity to improve on your own terms. Why value add often wins. Thornton sweet spot. Many of the best opportunities homes offer. Scroll past too quickly. Want a clear breakdown for your target, for your budget. Local insights change how far your money goes. That's pretty good. Looks pretty clean. Download that one. We'll do one more. All right, so carousel number 6. So I'm about 10 minutes into these right now. So about a carousel every 2 minutes. All right, last one. Import carousel. Let's get a different image. So we'll click auto describe. While we're here, if you want to join my school and you want a free carousel done by me and written by me, join the Skool, the operator room. There's a link below. If you are a good fit, I'll make a free carousel for you and I will write it myself. All right, so we got this gift wrap opportunity. Want more without. See, the thing is, I think real estate stuff has to be like a house. Auto describe. Um, Make it a luxury house. Something like that. Can't be a gift. If it's a gift, it won't make sense. But if it's a dream house, then people will be like, oh, these people can help me get my dream house. It's funny. Yes, that's a dream house, but we're in Colorado. Dream house in Colorado. Because people in Colorado know those houses don't exist out here. That's a little better. All right, let's read this. So, for a real estate agent in Colorado, want more value without paying more. Getting more doesn't always mean spending more. Stop chasing perfection. Look for solid foundations. Understand what's actually fixable. Knowledge is knowledge equals leverage. Most buyers skip this step. They fall in love. Smart buyers do the opposite. Numbers first, emotion second. You want help spotting the real value. Yeah, very good. Download that one. Easy peasy. So again, if you're building a solo entrepreneur business or a one-person coaching business, you can join the operator room. It's free. If you're a good fit, I will let you in. And I'd love to make a free carousel for your business and help you grow. Uh, Link below this video. And if you want to use AI carousels, there's a link below this video for that as well. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day.